Welcome to episode 3 of our East African Safari series. Let's take a quick room tour of the Serena Safari Lodge. Inside, there's a working desk and an electric kettle. We also have a cozy coffee table here. Behind the orange curtain is the veranda with a glass door for Pumba viewing. Seriously, don't open it unless you want to be greeted by monkeys. The bed is protected by a mosquito net. While there is no air conditioning, the room remains pleasantly cool. Plus, the Wi-Fi connection is pretty good. And of course, a hot shower is also available. Good morning from a chilly day 4 here in the Maasai Mara. We've paused to witness the sunrise, a golden light slowly awakening the vast plains. In every direction, there's nothing man-made in sight, just untouched wilderness, stretching as far as the eyes can see. It must have looked like this for thousands of years, pure, timeless, and alive. It's not often we get to escape the rush of everyday life and simply exist in harmony with nature.
There's again a baby rhino, right?
One behind.
Yeah.
The declining population of black rhinos, driven by poaching, has rendered them critically endangered. This makes it incredibly rare and special to spot one in the open plains. We feel very fortunate to see 3 of them. As we continue the ride, we saw a lot more variety of animals.
There.
When the elephant baby becomes orphan, what happens? Like, let's say if something happens to the mother.
They are taken to the orphanage.
Okay.
Like the small ones, if they have lost their mother,
Mm-hmm.
they'll be taken to the orphanage.
I see.
In the middle of the road is a topi. You just have to remember their distinguishing characteristics. Blue jeans, yellow socks. And here is a pair of secretary birds. They're ready for business. It's a crown bird family. Look at their 2 babies. The biggest bird, ostrich. These are guinea fowls. On top of the bush is a beautiful lilac-breasted roller. Say hi to our buffalo friends. They are enjoying their mud bath. It acts as sunscreen. We passed by a baby hyena.
That's
This is a water buck. Small tortoise, mongoose, and a hammerkop. Now we're heading back to the lodge before the extreme noon heat sets in. These stone pillars, set every 100 meters, mark the official boundary between Kenya and Tanzania. From here, we are overlooking the Serengeti on the Tanzania side. It's amazing how hard it is to spot the animals. This photo was taken just a minute before a cheetah appeared. The tall grass and their perfect camouflage hide them so well. We are now back in the lodge and we spot these mischievous baboons. They should probably get a room.
As the sun starts to set, it's finally time for a night safari. Night safari requires additional bookings and special permissions. In the Land Cruiser, we have the driver, a Maasai Mara ranger with a rifle, and a spotter with a headlight. In contrast with daytime game drives, off-road driving is actually allowed during the night safari. This means that we can reach even closer to the animals in the night.
Oh wow, there's 2-3 lines here.
There's three. There's three.
There's a hippo. They're going after the hippo, right? Vivian, they're going after the hippo,
Yeah,
correct?
since they want to go for the hippo. You know there's a baby hippo there.
Yeah.
There's three lines.
Okay, ready, sir?
During the night safari, we spotted a group of 4 lionesses on the hunt. Their first target was a herd of hippos, but the hippos were far too large and powerful, and the lionesses knew better than to push their luck.
Kuangalia kuna gazelles huko juu.
Oh, it's hiding.
Kama kuna gazelles. There's another one. Another one. Straight ahead.
It's another tree, right?
Another one straight ahead.
Wow.
That's the 4th lioness.
Yeah, I see 3. 4.
And they decide to sleep.
What are they doing? I don't know, maybe the photo was the one at the airport and lost.
I think one was not with them, so having come to join them, it's like
Saying hi.
yeah.
Brother. No, that's a baby. That's sister.
Miss you while you were away.
That's sister.
They've missed each other. Did you have time?
Are they going for the hippo now or?
They want to go for gazelles. They left some gazelles over there.
After a short break, and some quiet family bonding, the lionesses found a herd of gazelles. One of them crouched in an ambush, while the other three skillfully drove the herd towards her, working together in perfect silence.
Hiyo ni simba huko ama ni gazelle? Hiyo ni simba.
We were a little worried that our lights might blow their cover, but in the end their plan seemed to work. Well, almost.
Simama hapo kidogo tuelekeze. Ndio hivi hicho. Hizi one gazelle, wacha tusumbue huyu kichwa. Hii ni gazelle. Na kichwa ndio huyu. Anaenda ndio huyu anaenda. Wacha tumsumbue akili ndio huyu.
The slowest gazelle was nearly caught, but in the final moment it was just too fast for the lioness.
Oh, did you see its friends? Was it too fast for it? Yeah. Wow. That's unbelievable.
They were all useless.
Almost, yeah?
Oh my god. Oh, they had it, right?
The lionesses looked disappointed, but that's just how it goes in the savannah. Survival is never guaranteed, but neither is a successful hunt. Well, it seems like there's no dinner for the lions tonight. This is a world we have always known existed, but tonight we got to witness it with our own eyes for the first time. Out here, you realize that survival is a full time job, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. There is no rest, no pause, and no letting your guards down. Every creature, from the smallest to the strongest, is part of this relentless cycle of life and survival. As we continued through the night, we saw even more wildlife. Hippos moving quietly in the fields, foxes darting through the shadows, we also have foxes in Switzerland. These ones are much smaller actually.
Yeah.
Nocturnal rabbits hopping along,
Plus one.
buffaloes grazing, and even an eagle perched silently on the tree.
What a night it was! We have to sleep early tonight as the next morning is our balloon safari. See you in the next video!